All right, this problem says, I've gotten off of it. The currency in a certain country is called the Sirktian, or however. Person pays 0% tax between something that costs 0 to 26,800. Okay, no tax. But anything over 26,800, the tax is 25%. So part A says how many Sirktians in taxes are owed for 29,800. So we need to figure out how much is 29,800 over 26,800. And so that's a difference of 3,000. So if we multiply 0.25 times 3,000, we get 750 tax dollars. And then part B is a piecewise function, okay? So look at what's given. In between 0 to 26,800, and it's including this, you don't pay any. So you don't pay any tax money if X, whatever your dollar amount is in between is in between 0 up to 26,800, including it. Now, what is your other piece? Your other piece is when you pay 25%. Anything over 26,800. So this finds the difference. Just like up here, I took 29,800 and subtracted the 26,800. So this is how much is above 26,800, and then you multiply that by 0.25. Well, when do you do that? You do that whenever your dollar amount is above over 26,800. So this is your condition greater than X is greater than 26,800. And then your graph, this is T of X is the same thing as Y. So Y is 0 between 0 and 26,800. So that would be this. The Y value is 0. Okay? And then what it does, it takes off anything above 26,800. So that point right there is included, and then it takes off that way. It goes up. So the answer was A.